My household has built up quite a collection of corks over the years, and whilst I use the large ones with flat bottoms for pretty sturdy painting handles, not having a use for the more slender ones has always bugged me. When cleaning out a cupboard today, I came across a small coffee grinder that I haven't had much of a use for, until now. I have been chucking the formerly useless corks into the grinder a couple at a time today and have been pretty impressed with the results. If you grind in short bursts, stopping once in a while to tip everything but the very large chunks into a pot, you can end up with a nice variety of pretty natural looking basing material. The finer, more powder-like chunks can be applied over superglue on a base as a nice alternative to sand, or even alongside it to add some differing texture, whilst the larger chunks make a nice alternative to the clay clumping cat litter I normally use as rocks. Although these rocks will occasionally have rounded edges, if you cut them down flat when you stick them down, they can easily pass as subsided rocks. I know not everyone will have access to both of these things, but if you find yourself in a similar situation, or frequently need to cover large areas for terrain building, then a grinder like this may be a worthy investment. If you have found this quick tip useful, or enjoy this format of video, then please let me know with a like. If you have any other similar tips, please do leave a comment below. I would love to hear them. You can be informed of future videos by subscribing and ringing that bell. Paid and free ways of supporting me can be found linked below, but if you just wanted to hang around for another video, that would be amazing too. Thanks for watching, enjoy your hobby, and I'll see you next time. Take care.